Hey there, future scholars. Today, I'm super excited to take you on a quick journey to Germany. If you're thinking about studying abroad, Germany is definitely a destination worth considering. With the third largest economy in the world and Europe's top economy, it's no wonder why Germany is such a popular choice. Germany's excellence in the automotive and engineering sectors is legendary. We are talking about iconic brands like Audi, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, Bosch, and Siemens. But it's not just about the cars and gadgets. Germany is also a leader in research, education, and social benefits. So let's dive into how you can study in Germany. First off, you need to check if your degree, diploma, and the university you attended are recognized in Germany. This can be done through the UNABIN website. Germany offers two types of universities, private and public. Private universities mainly offer management programs, and tuition fees range from 8,000 to 20,000 euros. Meanwhile, public universities provide both management and technical programs for free, even for international students. However, since 2017, Baden-Württemberg has introduced a tuition fee of 1,500 euros per semester for non-EU students. To explore your options, visit the DAAD website. Click on International Programs and review the courses available. Public universities in Germany focus on research-based teaching, while universities of applied sciences emphasize practice-oriented learning. Platforms like My German University also offer helpful information, including webinar registrations. Most courses in Germany start in the winter semester, typically around September-October. Some universities handle their application processes directly, while others use UniAssist, a third-party agency in Germany that manages international student applications for public universities. When applying, make sure to read the course details thoroughly and choose programs that match your needs. Universities generally charge 200 to 400 euros per semester for administrative expenses, which include a university ID card that provides free regional transport. The cost of living in Germany ranges from 700 to 1,100 euros per month. You'll need to set up a blocked account with a deposit of 11,904 euros, which you can withdraw monthly after arriving in Germany. Common application documents include passport copy, academic transcript, letters of recommendation, and a statement of purpose. The statement of purpose is a 1.52 two-page essay highlighting your academic journey, reasons for choosing the program, and your long-term goals. Preparing for exams like IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, or GMAT is also essential depending on your program. While most English-taught master's programs don't require German language proficiency, learning German can be a huge plus for job opportunities. Institutes like Ranade Institute and Goethe Institute in Pune offer German language courses. Internships at small or mid-sized companies in Germany are highly recommended as they offer diverse experiences and potential job opportunities post-graduation. Students can work part-time for 20 hours a week during semesters and up to 40 hours a week during vacations. But remember, exceeding these limits can lead to visa violations and even deportation. In summary, Germany is a fantastic place to study. The fascination of free education attracts students from all over the globe. If you can't get into a public university, private universities are a great alternative. Germans are known for their straightforwardness, punctuality, and discipline. They balance work and life beautifully, working 4.5 days a week and enjoying 2.5 days of leisure. Plus, the German government offers strong support for students and citizens alike. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey to study, live, and thrive in Germany today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.